Hello beauties, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we had a little inspiration. I wanted to do something different, something fun. It's the summertime, kids are out, and I have a daughter that is like obsessed with all things beauty. She loves makeup, she loves fashion, she loves to play dress up, she just loves being like her mommy. Hold on a second. I am missing something. It's Khloe! YouTube, this is my 7-year-old daughter, Khloe Alexis. She is on Instagram at Khloe's with a Z _ closet.
My name is Khloe, and today my mom is gonna be turning me into her. She's so beautiful. Enough jibber jabbing, let's get into the video.
Okay, well, just not too fast. Hold on. Just a couple of more things. If you have already subscribed to my channel, I want to thank you for sticking with me and for being a part of the Enhanced Beauty Squad. But if you haven't subscribed, I need you to click that subscribe button right now and
the notifications bell.
The notification bell so that you won't miss out on any of our content. And of course, we need you to thumbs up the video.
And comment down below.
Give us a comment down below and share. Please, please, please share the video. So, like Khloe said, no more, what is it? Jibber jabbing? Let's get right into the video. Okay, the first thing, we're going to brush those brows. Just gonna kind of just pencil in these brows just a little bit. Ooh, do y'all see that?
Oh my god, it looks so pretty. Looks pretty good. I love it so much.
And you can be whatever you want to be. Now that we have those brows like I want them, it is time to clean up. Using a little concealer.
And soon I'm going to be starting my own channel too.
And now I am going to clean up. Ooh, look at that. Now let's clean a little bit on top.
Looks good.
All right.
Sisters, not twins.
Right. Your eyebrows are sisters and not twins. You are absolutely right. Okay. Now I'm just setting the eyeshadow primer in place. Simple Eye Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to use 2 shadows. It'll be this one, All Over Transition, and then I will put this one on the lid. Now I'm going to take a flat shadow brush. I did use a little highlight on my brow bone, so I'm going to highlight her brow bone with this color right here. It's a little bit bright, but this is the color. It's the very first color in the palette. Now this next step is the liner. It's the little one, just a baby wing. Yes. Can you please keep your eyes closed until I tell you to open them? Okay. I am putting some baby lashes on her. She knows she's a little girl.
Comment down below if you want us to do it again.
This is the only time we're doing it.
No, comment down below.
The only time.
Comment down below, guys.
She actually has long lashes. So what she does, because she knows that she's too young to wear makeup.
I put water on my eyelashes to make it look like I have a mascara. Oh my god! That's the check. Means it looks really good. Never yawn while you're doing mascara. That will mess it up.
Now for the falsies, but see, she has lashes. What's the question?
How are you guys supposed
Look
to
down.
get them off?
Same way I take mine off.
Oh my gosh.
And it's on.
Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty.
Back up.
Gosh. You guys need to comment so we can do another video like this. Comment.
We've already moisturized her skin. So now I'm getting ready to just prime, getting it ready for the foundation. Yes, we're going to use a little foundation. Are we starting to look alike yet? Chloe got these little bags.
I do?
Honestly, I have them. My dad has them. It just runs in the family. So I'm just going to kind of color correct a little.
Oh, those are the bags are. That looks so weird.
Take our damp beauty blender, blend it into the skin. Gonna put just a little concealer over that. Well, I am using Maybelline Fit Me. This is number 30 Cafe. It works really well. And now for the foundation, I'm using my black Opal True Color stick, and this is in Carob, however you pronounce it.
Let me see.
No, you just let me do it. Spray your face a little bit.
Okay, I feel tears.
You wanted this done?
Oh, wait, do that real quick. Like when you was rubbing right there. Oh, that scratches my ear.
Pick your head up. Let's blend it into that neck.
Gosh, that's like my mom. Wait, like Mama, get it close to me. No, wait.
Wait till we finish. This is going to be a problem.
Concealer? Wait, no. I have like a little baby beard right there. About. Let me up.
We won't be doing your makeup.
Okay.
I told you this is it. This is the last time.
Just eyebrows.
No. Ooh, come through, highlight. Look up.
Wait, this not highlight?
This is.
I thought that.
I'm highlighting with the concealer.
You got so far.
Let's set this in place. I didn't say bring your head back. I gotta see. Look up.
Itches. I got the itches.
See, this is what happens when you want to play. You want the makeup done, but then the kid in you comes out because you are a kid. So that means you stay away from this. Now, because she's looking a little chalky, we're going to bring a little bit of color back into the face.
I need friends.
You have me.
Oh.
Let's put a little blush. I am using NYX Raizin.
Ooh, Raizin sounds good.
Now let's put a little bit of the glow on the cheeks.
That glow, that contours.
We're giving her a little subtle glow. Color, I began with the transition color. Put a little bit of a darker brown. Now I am going to attempt a little liner on the waterline, just a little bit. Look up, let me just do it real quick. Look up, look up, look up, look up. Fan, fan, fan. And now we just gonna take a little black, give her just a little bit.
A little bit of what?
Smoke. Now let's put a little bit of inner tear duct highlight right in this corner here on each side. Now for a little lower lash. Now we're about to do the lips, shoulders back. Trying to teach her correct posture. This is how a confident woman, female, not woman because you are not a woman, but a confident female sits with her shoulders back. So now we're ready for the lips, and we are using Stunna. I will begin with lining her lips. I'm a little nervous about this red, but again, it's all in fun. Next thing is, since I am turning her into me, I have a little mole over here. So I am going to give her
a mole.
A mole. Remember, I am turning her into me. I have on a choker. Let's give you a choker. And now,
Oops, they're not big.
Hers are not as big as mine. They're a little big for her, but they're not as big as mine.
Look like baby Ursula.
Voila.
And voila.
The enhancer.
Versus baby. Comment down below who looks cuter.
My mini. And we are slaying together.
Wait, mama, do this.
Leave us a comment to let us know what you think of the video. And what do you think of Khloe being turned into me? I forgot to give her a little setting spray. She's so extra.
Stay poppin', YouTube.